Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Counter-Strike and your audio keeps disconnecting every few seconds after the new cache update, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your audio when it keeps disconnecting every couple of seconds after the update easily. So the only thing that you need to do is you need to open up your game settings. So just press the escape key, go into settings here, and then you're going to go into audio. And here you need to just change your audio device to anything else and then change it back to your default device. So for example, you can change it to something else and then you're just gonna click onto your default device here. And when you click onto that, you'll get your audio back. And as you can see, we have the audio back now and it's working. So just guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.